Ready? Start. Floods are natural disasters affecting the crops, livestock, infrastructure, and human beings. Full stop. Floods occur when water bodies like rivers, creeks carry more amount of water than their capacities, and when this additional water cannot be drained in a proper manner. Full stop. Floods are not a recent phenomenon. Floods have been occurring since ages. Full stop. But today, the destruction caused by floods is immense because of increased population density and a spread of people in every part of the country. Full stop. Floods in India are not restricted to any one place. Full stop. In 2017, the states of Gujarat, Rajasthan, West Bengal, and Assam witnessed floods due to heavy rain, full stop, which killed hundreds of people in the states and caused damage to land, property, and infrastructure, full stop. Floods are caused by meteorological factors, physical property, and human factors. Full stop. These factors can act individually or in combination with one another. Full stop. The various causes of floods are as follows. Para. In July 2017, Mount Abu received its heaviest rainfall since 300 years, which resulted in flood. Full stop. This hill station that is mostly dry was not prepared to receive so much rainfall, thus causing loss of life and property due to floods. Full stop. It is due to the heavy rainfall the state of Assam witnesses floods every year. Full stop. The states of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu fall victim to floods due to tropical cyclones. Full stop. The tropical cyclones have huge amount of water in them and they cause heavy rainfall in the coastal states causing inundation of the coastal regions. Full stop. Cloud burst is a localized weather phenomenon. Full stop. In India, the Himalayan belt states are more exposed to cloud burst situation. Full stop. Cloudburst due to its potential of causing heavy precipitation in a short period of time, incapable of causing floods in 2016. The floods in Uttarakhand were caused due to cloudburst. Full stop. Improper planning of infrastructure, faulty irrigation practices, and disturbing the natural system of the drainage also can cause floods. Full stop. The Chennai, Tamil Nadu floods of 2015 is the result of improper planning. Full stop. The Mumbai floods was due to closed drains and lack of proper infrastructure. Para. The Himalayan rivers carry a lot of silt with them due to erosive action of the rivers. Full stop. Because of the amount of silt carried by the rivers raises the river bed, the water carrying capacity of the rivers gets reduced and this causes floods in the nearby areas. Full stop. The rivers become wider in the plains. Full stop. The lower reaches of gigantic plains and Brahmaputra are soft lowlands and plain area that gets flooded every year. Full stop.